Oh, what's up, smarty people? KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com, coming to you live in a living color from the, KeysDAN Studios. And this is the KeysDAN Show with an interesting fact, brought to you by InterestingFacts.com. Check out that website. It's got a lot of knowledge to impart, and I can only read just a little bit of it here and there. Here's the interesting fact for today. All human beings are 99.9% identical genetically. Our diversity is part of what makes human beings special. Yet, as far as our genes are concerned, we're all fairly similar. Humans share 99.9% of their genes with one another. To put this into perspective, bonobos and chimpanzees, the closest relatives to humans in the animal kingdom, share approximately 98.8% of their genes with humans. Clearly, even small differences in genetic similarity can have major impact. That may be especially true when it comes to human health. According to the National Institutes of Health, 9 of the 10 leading causes of death in the U.S., barring accidental deaths, are influenced by our genetics, and variations among individuals can mean significantly varying health outcomes. In the 21st century, advances in our understanding of the human genome, thanks to the completion of groundbreaking scientific studies that include the Human Genome Project, have pushed medicine into the genetic frontier. Now doctors can screen newborns for genetic abnormalities and sometimes use gene-based therapies, while nutritionists are using genomics to tailor diets to specific genetic dispositions. According to some, the future of medicine is in our genes. Numbers don't lie. A little bit of facts within the facts. Estimated by a number of human genes by one count, 20,000. The year the Human Genome Project mostly finished sequencing the human genome, 2003. Number of people who've had their DNA sequenced by 23andMe as of 2022, 12 million. Distance in mile a person's DNA would stretch if unwound and linked together, 110 billion miles. That's a lot of genes. That's a lot of genetic material, but we're all 99.9% the same. As Depeche Mode said, people are people. Oh my goodness. I like those facts. I like it. InterestingFacts.com. That's becoming one of my favorite websites now. For more, stick around. And also, if you'd like to tell your story or hear the stories of others, I encourage you to check out my other podcast. It's called What Makes You Famous. Find it everywhere using the hashtag What Makes You Famous. That's it for this edition of the KeysDAN Show. It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. Peace.